Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video about a Whirlpool dryer. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you in this video how to clean the lint trap. Let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a Whirlpool dryer and I'm going to show you how to clean the lint trap. Now obviously every Whirlpool dryer will be slightly different, but at the end of the day, it's basically going to be a very similar process. What you want to do is you want to open the door, and usually towards the front, you're going to see something that says like lint trap or clean before each use, something like that. There's going to be a handle on it. So you want to lift it out, as you can see right here. And this is your lint trap. So as you can see, there's still some lint on this from the last time that I used the dryer. Now I clean this before every single load, and then we ended up getting a new washer and dryer. So these are the old ones, and they're in my garage right now. I'm just using them for some content. So this is literally the lint that has been in here from the last time that these were in the house, which was a long time ago. So what you're going to do to clean the lint trap is very simple. You're going to take your hand, you're going to grab a little bit of the lint, and basically just going to rub around to grab the rest of the lint like this. Okay. And you're going to pick up all that lint. You're going to take all that lint and you're going to discard of it. I'm just going to put it to the side. I'm going to toss it in the garbage later. And as you can see, you have a clean lint trap. Once you have a clean lint trap, you literally just take it and put it back in place. And guess what? You have now cleaned the lint trap on your Whirlpool dryer. It is that simple. That is how to do it. And I've kept it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And that's all I got to say. So we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.